this record button for me. Okay. So we are going to take, say, 5 minutes to solve this worksheet. Start your work, everyone, and I'm also meanwhile explaining the strategies to you. And remember your times table very well. So we are focusing on start, solve. Be very careful. These are easy questions. I don't want any silly mistakes. So be present. Okay, everyone, start doing your work. Now, whoever wants to understand, now the table of 0 is okay, start solving, guys. Multiplication test 8. Your timer starts now, everyone. Yes. So 0 times anything is a 0. Okay, so the table of 0 says if you multiply 0 with 11, the answer is going to be 0. Table of 1 is like a mirror. Huh. 1 times 10 or 10 times 1 is the same thing as 10. Jaldi, jaldi karo, jaldi, jaldi, fast. Okay, now the table of 2. I already have a timer running at 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, and then as soon as the buzzer buzzes, we have to stop our worksheet. Whoever has done it before that, let me know. Table of 2 is doubling. So if you are good with addition, you have to just add the numbers. So 2 times 1 means 1 plus 1. 2 times 2 means 2 plus 2. 2 times 3 means 3 plus 3. 2 times 4 means 4 plus 4, and on and on. Now, when we talk about multiplication, Atharva, focus in your worksheet. Multiplication is repeated addition, which means
I don't have
4
worksheet,
times
ma'am.
3 is getting repeated 4 times.
Excuse me,
So
ma'am.
you can solve with me. Okay, listen to the strategy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is this?
Tushnas,
You have to say.
I don't have the worksheet.
Athar, start your work. Yes.
I don't have the worksheet.
Tushnaz. Yes, hi, Tushnaz. Okay, Tushnaz, just listen to the strategies, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just listen to me then. Everyone, have you finished your worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
So people who don't have their worksheet, think the questions for you here. You can go there and solve it with them. That's all. Okay, so it has couple of questions on. I have taken the wrong set of paper. Athar has the right paper, okay? Any doubt anywhere, just ask.
Ma'am, we had to do multiplication test 8 only, right?
Mm, mm, mm. Acha, my classes are on record mode, so whatever you say is getting recorded. Just do your work, pin drop silence. Okay, we'll talk about it later. Okay. Okay. So have we done? Everyone finish the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to move on to the table of three. And I want Tisha start with the worksheet 15. Okay?
15.
Start with
Yes,
15. So
ma'am.
table of three is 3 times 4, 3 times 5, which means you have to add 5 3 times. Correct?
Yes,
Now,
yes,
someone
ma'am.
who already knows the table of 2, which means I've already added it 2 times, you just have to add this number again. So 3 times 5 is what? 3 times 5 is what? So I know 2 times 5, which is 10, and I have to add 5 again to this because it says it's 3 times 5. So the answer is a 15.
Yes.
So let's try for 3 times 7. Now, if you ask me, how are you going to remember them? Like right now, you know the tricks. Over practice, when you keep on practicing, automatically 3 times 7 comes as a 21, which means
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
seven times 3 means 3 is getting repeated 7 times. This is a slower way of calculating, and that's the reason why instead of writing 3 7 times, I'm going times. The answer is going to be same, isn't it? Yes. So now
Yes, ma'am.
everyone solve the next worksheet. Yeah, solve the next worksheet fast. This worksheet has a lot of numbers involving 1, 2, and 3.
Ma'am, it is multiplication test 15, right?
Yes, yes. Multiplication test 15. Athar, do it fast. You have to do the papers fast. What is? Athar, that noise is disturbing. Come on, fast. Worksheet number 15. Even if you're doing the first column, that's okay. We can always finish it later. 7 times 3.
21.
12 times 3. Fast. 12 times 3. Easy peasy.
26.
Yes. So if you forget, you can always add. Next, Atharva. Not doing this. Okay. So now we are moving on to the table of 4. Okay.
Ma'am, that is which test?
So that is the follow the path. You must be having this. Look at the screen.
Yes.
Yeah. So follow the path. That's the table of 4. थोड़ा थोड़ा करना है. It's okay. Just look at the. Okay, don't do it. Just know the trick. Can someone tell me the trick of 4? What is the trick of 4? Tisha.
Ma'am, you can, if you have a table of 2, you can just double it.
Correct. So if you know the table of 2, you double the table of 4, which is again like addition. Okay? So I want you to quickly solve this for me. Fast. Yes. Fast. 4 times 5. Okay, tell me the answer, I'll write. 4 times 5?
20.
Okay, don't waste your time saying easy peasy. 4 times 1.
4.
6 times 5.
Huh?
6 times 5.
10.
So, or 5 times 6.
5 times 6. Next one.
Think hard and you will tell me the answer.
55.
5 times 6. 6 times 5. 5 is getting repeated 6 times. Keep on adding them. Quick.
25. 25.
Guess what? Think hard. Okay. What is 2 times 4?
8.
Okay. Now what is this? Chalo, ye wala column. So everyone, do you have multiplication test 28, page number test series 28? Yes?
Yes.
So as soon as you are done doing follow the path, start with test series 28. Atharva, just do this one. Quick. So this involves the table of 5. So let's quickly know the rule for the table of 5. 5 times 8. Atharu, don't do, just listen. Whoever doesn't want to solve, it's okay. Just listen to this. Eyes on the screen. 5 times 8. So the rule of 5 says, let's do 10 times 8. And we know 10 times.
80 is half 40.
So
40.
80.
40 is half. 35. 35.
अथर आपने ज्यादा दिमाग लगा दिया. So 5 times 8 is 40. So do 10 times 8, that is 80. But we had to solve for 5. Half of 10 is 5. So we are going to do half of 80. And the answer is 40. So this is for all the even numbers like 5 times 2, 5 times 4, 5 times 6, 5 times 8. Correct?
Me, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it the table of 5?
Yes. You come later.
So it is random what you
Yeah.
wrote, right?
Yeah. I ask random questions. because it's very easy to recall when it is in a sequence. But if you try to understand it logically, then you will be able to solve random questions also. Okay. So 5 times 8, we have solved. 5 times 2, 2 ka table laga do. 2 times 5, 5 times 2, double. Give me the answer. 10. Let's see 5 times 4. So instead of doing 5 times 4, let's do 10 times 4. What is 10 times 4? 40 ka half? 20. Very good. Very good. So now 5 times 6.
5 times
5 times 6.
30.
30. Very good. So 10 times 6 is a 60 and half of 60 is a 30. Now, do you want to know for odd numbers what we do? Chalo, let's know the trick. 5 times 3 क्या होता है जल्दी बताओ. So let's do 10 times 3. This is 30 and half of 30 is 25. Half. Don't subtract. Half. So if you don't know how to do half of 30, let's divide 30. Eyes on the screen. 30 in 2 parts. 20 and 10. What is half of 20? Half of 20?
10.
10. And half of 10?
5.
So the answer is a 15. So half of 30 is a 15. Now let's do for 5 times 5. 10 times 5 is?
50.
50 ka half?
25.
How do you do that? Let's divide 50 into 10 and 40. 10 का half हो जाता है 5. 40 का half हो जाता है 20. So answer is 25. Now 7 times 5. So let's do it as 7 times 10. 70. 70 ka half. So it is divided into a 10 and a 60. So half of 10 is a 5 and half of 60 is a 30. So the answer is a 35. So this is how we have completed the table of 5. But अगर आपको उससे भी short trick चाहिए, so let's see the 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. So this 3 is a odd number. So the other strategy is let's do 5 times 2, which is a 10. And then add 5 to it. So it becomes 15. Similarly, 5 times 5. You don't know what is 5 times 5. But you know what is 5 times 4. Okay, do 5 times 4. 20. But since it was 5 times 5, you have to add one more 5 to it. And the answer is a 25. 5. Let's try 5 times 7. Since 7 is an odd number, do 5 times 6. Batao. So 5 times 6 becomes a 30. But since it was 7, it was the next number. Answer becomes a 35. समझ में आया? Okay. Okay. Next is
Excuse. This is making me a little confused.
which part is making you confused?
5 times 7.
Okay. Let's do 5 times 7. Do you know what is 5 times 6? Ten times 6? 60. 60 ka half is a 30. So 5 times 6 is a 30. But since it was 5 times 7, you have to add one more 5 to it. So 30 plus 5 is a 35.
Okay.
Okay. Now can you do 5 times 9 for me?
5 times 9.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, 45.
So 5 times 9 is a 45. And there is a rule for the table of 9. Before that, I want to quickly take the table of 6. Okay. So table of 6 is double the table of 3. If you have by-hearted your times 3 table, you can easily tell me the answer of table of 6. Okay, let's try. What is 6 times 3? I don't know. Batao. But I know. Bolo. Bolo.
24.
Galat. 6 times 3. Let's see what is 3 times 3. Can someone tell me what is 3 times 3?
Ma'am, 9.
9. But you have to do double of that because it is 6 times 3. So double of 9 is a 9 plus 9. Quick.
9 plus 9. 18.
So
18.
6 times 3 is an 18. Okay. So this is the table of 6. Let's try again. Let's try for 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is a 36. What is 3 times 6? And 18. Abhi nikla. And you have to double that because it is 6 times 6. So the answer is 36. Okay. Now let's do table of 9. 9 table says 9 times 3. So the first digit that you write over here, reduce this 3 by 1. It becomes a 2. And what do you add to 2 to get a 9? 7. So this is the strategy using number bonds of 9. Let's try 9 times 6. Can you give me the answer?
42.
नहीं, आपको strategy use करना है. Tisha, strategy के साथ 9 times 6 क्या होता है बताओ?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the strategy?
3.
यहाँ देखो 6. 6 से 1 less. 5.
Yeah.
And then 5 plus what is a 9?
5 plus 4. 46.
5 plus 4.
46.
54. Athar, don't do it in your mind. Okay, let's try another number. 9 times 7. Who wants to try the rule? Okay, Atharva. 9 times 7. What will be the... Look at the blackboard. Huh? Whiteboard.
6.
Okay, 6. I write a 6.
6. 3. 63.
Very good. Neve, do you want to try this with me? Yes, Neve.
What?
Do you want to try the trick of 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 9 times 8, using my trick, give me the answer. This 8. Try. So this 8, you have to do 1 less than 8. What is 1 less than 8?
7.
7. Now what do you add to 7 to get a 9?
2.
So the answer is 72. You got it. Okay, so now I want Arvika to do this. Arvika, are you here? 9
Yes,
times.
ma'am.
Let's do 9 times 9 using my trick. Hmm. 9 times 9. No, 81. Okay, Arvika. So 1 less than 9 is?
81.
Atta, stop. 1 less than 9 is?
81.
8. And what do you add to an 8 to get a 9? 8 plus what is 9? 1.
Plus 1.
So the answer is 81. 8 plus 1, 81. For some reason, my
9.
eye pencil is not working. Okay, so there's a delay. Okay, so now we are left with the table of 11. That's it. Okay, and you'll ask me, ma'am, how about the table of 7 and the table of 8? So I will explain it to you how we have learned that already. Yes, अथर अभी म्यूट नहीं हो सकता. Sorry, अथर. No, just 5 minutes. Yeah, अभी भी.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes.
only know the tables till 1 to 5, but I don't know the tables to 6 to 10. So how can I do that?
So, since you know the numbers till 5, you have already mastered some of the tables. I'll show you how. 11 times anything is the same number getting repeated twice. So if it is 11 times 2, it's 22. Look at the pattern. 11 times 3,
33.
you have to write this 2 times. 11 times 4, 44. So Arvika, are you confident enough to know the table of 11 now? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So now give me the answer for 11 times 5.
55.
Okay. Neve, 11 times 9.
99.
Very good. Okay. Now, table of 7 and 8. Okay. What is 6 times 7?
42.
You have to learn this. Okay. What is 7 times 6?
42.
Since writing 6 times 7 or 7 times 6 is the same thing, you have to by heart. Neve, next time 6, 7 is actually 42 because 4 plus 2 is a 6. Now, next, what is 7 times 7, Tisha? Fast.
Ma'am, it is 49.
49.
Now, next one, Tisha, 7 times 8.
Ma'am, 56.
56. You have to remember. Okay. So in 7, you have to remember just these two numbers. In 6 ka table, you have to remember just this number. Now, 8 times 8. What is 8 times 8? 64. याद नहीं है क्या? Remember, write it every day. You will remember. 8 times 8. Let's learn it in my class. 8 times 8 is a 64. Come on, everyone. 8 times 8. Attention.
64.
7 times 8.
60.
56. Okay, so now if I write down, now this is to Arvika because she said that she doesn't know the tables beyond 5. 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, 6 times 5. 6 times 6, you have to remember it is a 36. 6 times 7, you have to by heart as a 42. 6 times 8, you have to by heart as a 48. 6 times 9, you have to use the trick of 9. And 6 times 10, you already know. So, Arvika, these first 5 numbers you know because you know the table of 5. So, 6 times 5 is actually 5 times 6. 6 times 4 is actually 4 times 6. So, you don't need to remember them because you already know them. All that you need to remember is a double of 6, like 6 times 6, 6 times 7, 6 times 8.
42.
Okay, and similar way in a table of 7, you should know what is 7 times 7 and a 7 times 8. Because 7 times 6 gets covered in the table of 6 and 7 times 9, using the trick of 9, you solve that. Now, when it comes to the table of 8, you only need to know 8 times 8 because 8 times 7 is getting covered in the table of 7 and 8 times 9 you get to know using the trick of 9. So what is 8 times 8? Anyone remembers?
66.
64. Okay?
60.
So that's the end of today's session. Yes, Bacha?
Ma'am,
Yes.
64 is a chessboard square.
Is it? I did not know that.